3 coins you need to get invested with if you're looking at the metaverse. Now, these metaverse coins are incredible. What I'm going to do for you is count down from number 3 all the way to number 1. But before I do that, disclaimer.
Not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only.
So let's start with my third bet. So guys, you've obviously heard of Shiba if you're in the crypto space, okay? It's one of the best cryptos for Metaverse fans, all right? You can see it over at Shiba Token. We'll talk about what price the coin is actually at as well. And it was created as a flip Dogecoin, all right? The number of meme coins in the world of Web3 is incredible right now. Shiba was launched in 2020, okay, and since then has rocketed through the world, okay? We are seeing big things from Shiba. Shiba Inu blockchain is actually a fork of Ethereum, which means that the network can support the development of decentralized application with dApps, okay? Let's have a look at the chart and see what price Shiba is sitting at right now. We're at 0.00001, okay? Now, we have seen heights of this, all right? It's been a lot higher. People have made a silly amount of money, and we've also seen how volatile Shiba can be. But guys, what I would recommend is number 3 on my list. If you wanted to get into some coins, I would dollar cost average my way into Shiba over the next 6 months, because I do see it rising, but I don't recommend putting everything straight in and holding. Okay, a dollar cost average, please look at that on YouTube if you don't know what that trading strategy is. I would recommend that. It'll get you the most benefits as Shiba starts to rise. Number 2 on my list is Decentraland. Now, guys, you'll see that I'm going fast through Shiba and Decentraland because when I get to number 1, it's going to blow you away and I need to spend some time on it. So Decentraland is an incredible token. Now, the reason everyone's loving it is because during the crash, okay, Decentralized and other games with the metaverse actually started to roar, okay? It has gone down now, but it was one of them that stuck its place that people made a lot of money on. It's another one of the best cryptos for metaverse fans. It's a virtual online gaming platform that utilizes blockchain play to earn mechanics and actually allows users to have complete control over the building, all right? You can start exploring. You can see a little GIF here about what this is like. The vision is to create an entirely new world, all right, where users buy land and automate it in different ways. So you can either roam, or you can sell or rent, or you can utilize the fact that you can build and code in the Web3 space and make money that way. Passive income is a very lucrative thing inside of these web games. Okay. All the content in Decentraland Metaverse is created by users and a platform in a community-driven initiative that focuses on generated content. That's UGC. Okay. I love Decentraland. I think it's got one up from Sandbox. That's why it's in my top 3. But I do see this being an incredible buy this year. Okay. Please note the disclaimer. But in my opinion, if you're going to dollar cost average Shiba, I would raise the bar a bit with Decentraland because this is what's getting all the hype. But guys, before you put any money into any crypto, I need you to pay attention to what my number 1 is, because this token is going to be, in my opinion, the best token of 2023. So let's go straight there now. My number 1, the reason I made this video to show you guys, is Metacade. Metacade is fantastic. It's the ultimate Web3 community hub where gamers and blockchain fanatics can communicate and collaborate. Their vision is to create a fun and dynamic virtual hangout for like-minded people to enjoy all things GameFi and experience everything the Web3 culture has to offer. Guys, even just their website, metacade.co, all right, you can /EN as well if you're in France like me, is incredible, all right? Let me play the video for you super quick so you can get a little feel of what this is.
Are you tired of being a spectator in the cryptoverse?
Yes.
Have knowledge, but no platform to share it? Then come and hang out in the Metacade. The Metacade is the ultimate Web3 community hub for blockchain gamers and crypto fanatics to communicate and collaborate. A fun, dynamic virtual hangout where you can enjoy all things GameFi and experience everything that Web3 culture has to offer. Oh yeah, and you'll be able to help build the world's first community-developed Web3 gaming portal and play to earn crypto arcade. Yes, it's true. But let's come back to that. In the Metacade, you can see what games are trending, view leaderboards, publish reviews, play games with established play-to-earn projects, and much more. But the Metacade isn't just a place where members come to play. We will be the first decentralized GameFi hub to offer internships, careers, and business opportunities to its members. percentage of profits to the members who helped create it. The question is, are you ready to play?
Guys, the reason I wanted to play that video so long is it's easy to explain and it's incredible. I really, really like it. Now, a quick touch on the meta system, okay? They have a community hub that will focus on the most pressing narratives, test contributors, which will reward in Mcade, along with the limited edition staking options, and the Metacade. You don't need to be a game developer, like it said. Okay, they've got Metacash, their goal to make Metacade a self-sustainable platform, which is actually developing very nicely. Read the white paper as well. All right, with the advertising revenue, job listing, game testing, tournaments, play to earn, and a launch pad. Now, guys, the most important part of this video is we are in the pre-sale, but it is selling fast. 94% has sold. You can see there's only 5.96%. Guys, that's insane. Okay, with a massive $2.7 million raised in only the first 7 weeks, the project has now gone to raise a staggering $5.4 million. Okay, the hype around this, I can't explain to you how incredible it is. It is definitely the #1 for crypto in the metaverse, if not just crypto in 2023. Okay, so please, what I would stress for you to do is hit that link down below, get over here and buy some tokens before this sells out, or you will miss the chance of hitting the #1 crypto in 2023. Now, guys, what I want you to do is go over to their Twitter at Metacade_, right? And you're gonna see an incredible addition, $125,000 giveaway. Okay, please, all you got to do is click on this link and follow the instructions. All right, guys, if you are looking to get some free crypto and you're looking to get some crypto within the greatest projects in 2023, in my opinion, this is how you do it. Okay, these are the ways to enter. Connect your crypto wallet, view and like their launch video, follow Metacade on Twitter, tweet on Twitter, join the Telegram, join the Discord, and refer a friend. You can see how many entries you get right there, or buy some and get involved right now. $125,000, guys. One of the tweets I need you to know is this one here. Okay, it went on the 1st of February, but guys, look at all the people getting involved. Influencers from TikTok, YouTube, everything are the ones that created the hype around this, that created the content behind this. Okay, it's the ultimate gaming experience and they're all getting involved. So guys, know that by the end of this year, you will see some of the biggest artists playing Metacade, getting involved with this community. Okay, please note that. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Please do your own research, but most of all, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.